In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Calendly event and share your scheduling link. By the end, you'll know how to log in, create a polished event type, share your link confidently, and understand exactly what your invitee experiences when they book. First, log into Calendly and head to your scheduling page. This is the home base where all your event types live. Click the plus create button to start a new event. You'll be asked to choose your event type. If you meet with one person at a time, pick one-on-one. If you host sessions for multiple people at once, like a class, an info session, or a group demo, choose group. Next, set the duration that best fits your meeting style. Keep it realistic. Shorter meetings are great for quick check-ins, while longer sessions are better for deep dives. Now choose the location. You can select an online option like Zoom or Google Meet so links are generated and included automatically, or use a phone call or in-person location if that's your preference. Make sure the location choice matches how you actually plan to meet so it's clear for your invitee. From here, customize your questions and settings. Give the event a clear name and description so people know what to expect. Decide what information you need from invitees before you meet. Things like the purpose of the call or any specific topics they want to cover. Fine-tune availability to match your working hours, and consider adding buffer time so you're not jumping from meeting to meeting without a break. Minimum notice can also help prevent last-minute bookings you can't accommodate. When everything looks good, click Save. With your event ready, it's time to share your link. You can copy your unique Calendly link, which displays all your public event types, or copy the link for this specific event if you want people to book only that one. Paste the link into an email or a text and add a short note that explains what the meeting is for and how long it will take. Clear context helps people choose the right slot quickly. When your invitee clicks your link, they'll see your available times automatically adjusted to their time zone. They pick a time, enter their details, and confirm. Once confirmed, the meeting appears on both your calendars with the location details you selected. If you added custom questions, you'll see their answers right on the booking, which makes it easy to prepare. That's it. Simple professional scheduling with no back and forth. Thanks for watching.